wants to install R programming. But before installations are, I just want you to a little bit explain about the introductions, not much, not theory much. So I just come back. We don't want to know who created R, who is father, who is mother, okay, and who is the grandfather. So we don't want all those things. Okay, where exactly they launch this R. But right now the R market is down. Okay, so out of 100 people, so mostly 90 people, they work on Python and Golang, and the R programming is okay. So, but still, as the codes is available in the R, so I will give you a little bit detailed explanations of R as well, guys. I hope understand. Okay, team. And the next one, just one moment. Okay. Now, the first thing, let's understand. So in NLP, what we learned today, we complete basic techniques we covered, which is comes under NLU with the help of NLTK. Then we covered NLG, natural language generations. Two part we done. And then we understand vectorizations techniques or NLP algorithms, those called word embedding, isn't it? In word embedding, the first we covered bag of words. What we learned, how do we feed the data, how to convert raw data to clean text data, after convert clean text data to make it to the sentence. And once you create to the sentence, we make it to using help of count vectorizers, we bring back to numbers, guys. Vectorizations from text to numbers. EDA, this concept's called imputations. You never say imputations in NLP. Do you understand? Concept is same, but terms are different. So the good data scientist always speak good technical terms. In NLP, when talk about, then you say vectorizations, convert from vectors to text to numbers. But in exploratory data analysis, you never say vectorizations. You will say imputations. 8:30 a.m. batch. Are you clear or not? Okay. Now, there's a few things I just want to know that just want to introduce you. Why are and highly demand once upon a time, but is used community once upon a time. But now, even though you learn R, you must need to migrate to Python. Are you guys understand? Because most of the clients demands in Python, they want to write a less codes and lot of packages we build in the market. So the R market is down. The data science first programming language is SAS, isn't it? Now, then it's turned back to R. Still, few projects are there, isn't it? Out of 100, maybe 10s are there. And then R programming. And after that, let me tell you when and when not to learn R. Tell you very important things, guys. The reason being, I will explain right now and compare the difference among Python and R. So if you just started out learning Python, don't learn R, isn't it? If you're learning Python, then don't learn R. Sir, why? I will get back with practical. Focus on one language first until you feel confident with it. If you're considering career data related field, then R is great. And if you're a student and if you write some of the thesis paper, then we can understand R, guys. So what we learn in R, I will teach you like core basics, like how to variable, what is operators, what is sequences, what is data structures, what control flows, and some of the functions, like how to write a recursive functions, and all those things we will done this in R. Okay. And also we build few algorithms like simple linear regressions, data pre-processing, logistic regressions, we will build in R as well. Are you guys understand? So you know all concepts. In decision tree, we need to understand Gini, entropy, max depth, all those things we covered. In ensemble, we understood like bagging, boosting, voting, XGBoost, all those things we done, isn't it? In SVM, we decide how to find out a max depth, all those things we done. Are you guys getting my point or not? So everywhere, and then slowly I get back to this one, guys. Let me close this Hadoop file. Okay, R programming. So the first thing, how to install the R. So the first option is you go into Anaconda and just click on R Studios and work. Other way, just I want you to click CRAN and then give it to this and CRAN R. If you see, did you see the new versions. Everybody wants to download 4.3.0. So this is the versions we have, and copy. And then I want you to select. This is the first way. This is the link you will try to download. Once you download, if you see, it's clearly mentions the R4.34 Windows. Just click it. Okay. Once you click it, you get the files are downloaded. Did you see the file is downloading or not? I'll cancel it. Okay, because I already installed. Once we download the next one, you can go ahead and download for Art Studio as well. What is the next step, guys? Art Studio download. Just go ahead and do this, and you can download for Art Studio. Just copy. And once you copy, and then go ahead. And the third one is, this is the one you can try for Art Studio. So once we download the Art Studio, next one. So download and install, guys. Scroll down, scroll down. This is the file, Windows 10 or 11. You can download, and file will be download and install both the files, guys. Okay, I can say download and install this both files, and then download and install. This is second file. Am I clear or not up to this? Am I clear, guys? Now, what is next step then? What is next step? So the next step is, once you install, minimize Art Studio. Let's open. One second. Okay, this is it's exactly looks like a spider. It's exactly look like a spider. So if you want to change, actually by default, you will get the white, and I will change, go to tools and keyboard, or maybe I can say profile, no tools, global options. And once you go to global options, then you can have scroll up appearance, right, guys? Once you go to the appearance, you wanted to change the patterns, whatever you wanted to print, you can change the patterns, guys. Are you guys understand or not? Cancel. So once you change the patterns, let me close all those things and go to file, new file, and art script, isn't it? Go to file, art script. So look at this screen. So this is where you write the code, and this is also you write the code. This is console. There's a two console here, okay, where you write the code, and output you get here as well, okay, the files, plots, packages, help, viewers. There's a multiple way you can do this, and also, oh, I mean, you get to know the home, where exactly the current locations. I mean, you get to see all those things. All right, guys. So the next one here in Python, we do Alt Enter, isn't it? Shift Enter. I'm sorry. In to run the execute the line item, what you do? Shift Enter. But in R, what you do? Control Enter. So to change the theme, just you can go to tools and then global options, and then you can go to appearance and then change according to it. Change according based on user, like or dislike. Next one. Once we do this, what happened? Go to file and new script. The R file will generate. Next one, in Python, in Jupyter Notebook, what we do? We do shift plus enter, isn't it? But in here, in R, shift enter did not work. It will control plus enter. So what is meant by that? Just go ahead and we can try x equals to. So what I'm going to do, x equals to 5. I'm using shift enter. It is not getting, it's get to the new line. So click here and execute this. We have x equal to 5 or not? Did you see? X equal to 5 we create, X equal to 5 we create, X equal to 5 we create. Can we say this or not? Now, when we say X, control enter, what is output I got now? 5. What is output I got now, guys? 5. But what is a type of data? Type of X is? What type of? Which charger? Can you check? Is this one? Can you check that? Else work, guys? Then one moment. Class, just class of X. Are you understand? What type of data type is this? Integer. In Python, the data type is, but in R it is. Changes are there or not? So that's what I'm saying. When you learn Python, if you learn R, there is next day you nothing to learn. You guys getting me or not? So next one. So what type of data type is this? Integer. In Python, the data type is, but in R it is. Changes are there or not? So that's what I'm saying. When you learn Python, if you learn R, there is next day you nothing to learn. You guys getting me or not? So next one. So let's say y equal to 5.7, 5.8 float. But actually in here, we got numeric only. Is it different or not different? It's a very big different, isn't it? And the next one, let's say G equal to NIT, and then I can control enter G. What is output? NIT. Then class of G equal to what is output, guys? String. What is output? Online team. Let's go ahead and do this. Character. Means everything is changing or not now? The next one. Let's go back to another one. So the next step is A equal to 4 plus 5J. Sorry, 4 plus 5J. So control enter. What we output, guys? Error. But in Python, this is a complex. This is complex. But if I change to I, 4 plus 5I, it is run or not? It is running. In Python,